So the next step is to go over to the counter for painting, and we are going to dip our brush in just a plain water, and I want you to put the water all over your paper. So it's just plain water, a light layer. You're getting the paper a little bit wet, and then we're going to be painting some watercolor on that. This is called a wet on wet technique. So next what we're going to do, that's okay, a little bit that gets smeared. So the next step is to use the turquoise paint, and it does say turquoise on it, and you're going to paint some spots of turquoise. This is your water, so just some spots of turquoise where you would like that. And then we're going to move on to the blue. Then we're going to put some blue in some spaces. So putting this in some of your other spaces, this is again still the water. We are going to leave the top and the bottom white paper for now. So I have a lot over here, so I'm just going to keep spreading this blue around since I had a little bit too much. But I'm going to again leave the bottom is going to be more just white for now. So I'm still using this blue to fill up some of my water spaces. And when you have about that all covered, so the water is covered with the blue and turquoise, then we're going to move on to the last color of paint, making sure all my lilies are in water here. Then I'm going to go to the last color, which is the green, and I'm going to be putting that on these top edges. So filling up the rest of that white on the top and bottom with the green watercolor. So spread out any puddles you have. And then the painting is finished. Then we're going to take this green watercolor marker and just draw some blades of grass down in this spot. Yes, it's wet, but that's okay. It will diffuse the lines. So just draw some grass in this space. And then the last step is you're going to just get a little pinch of salt and sprinkle this on your painting. It works when it's wet, so it has to be wet. This is why we're painting fairly quickly, so that when the salt goes on, it will pull up some of that color. And then the last step is to take this whole tray and put it on the drying rack.